Hey guys, in this video I will show you the best VPN for Cash App. Alright, let's begin. Using a VPN can help you access Cash App securely, especially in restricted regions. A VPN masks your IP address, enhances privacy, and helps bypass restrictions. Here are the top 3 VPNs for Cash App. First, NordVPN offers excellent speed, military-grade encryption, DNS leak protection, and an automatic kill switch. It has a vast server network and provides an option for a dedicated IP, which helps avoid flagged public IPs that could lead to account restrictions. Although slightly more expensive, NordVPN is a great investment for reliability and security. Next, Surfshark is a budget-friendly option with strong encryption, DNS leak protection, and an automatic kill switch. It offers unlimited device connections, meaning you can use it across multiple devices or share it with family. With a wide server network, you can always find the best location to access Cash App securely. Finally, ProtonVPN is known for its strong security and good performance. It provides robust encryption, DNS leak protection, and an automatic kill switch. While its interface may not be as user-friendly as NordVPN or Surfshark, it is an excellent choice for privacy-focused users. So that's basically the best VPN for Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.